Hey guys, I'm Lynn and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do these crochet passion twists in less than 2 hours. Let's jump right into the video. When I do crochet hairstyles, I like to start off with a good foundation. And different types of crochet require different patterns, so I thought that this was the best fit for these passion twists. And if this is something that you would like to see more in depth, please let me know down in the comments. There really isn't an exact spot you have to start on. I just so happen to start from the side. Some people start in the back, so it's really your preference. So one thing that I have taught myself to help me remember which way I should insert the latch hook is that my knot is always going to lay on the opposite side of the insertion of the crochet hook. So basically, if you want your knot to lay underneath the braid, what you're going to do is take your open latch hook, insert it through the top of the braid, then attach your crochet hair and close the latch. Pull it through, let the hair come down the crochet hook, and then take the bottom, attach it, and pull it through the hole of the crochet. And as you pull that through, you will notice that your knots are on the bottom. The reason why I like for these knots on the end row to be underneath the braid is because then if you pull this hairstyle up half and half or up into a ponytail or whatever, the knots will be on the outside, giving it more of a natural appearance. So now that I'm on the next row, as you can see, I put my crochet hook through the bottom of the braid because I want my knot to lay on the top of the braid. The hair used for this style was the Janet Collection Nala Tress Passion Twist in the color number 4 and the 18-inch. And I have to say, like, literally, this was some really, really nice hair. I was nervous, just because crochet always gets me a little nervous because I never know really, like, exactly how it's going to come out. But I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised by this hair. The coverage of the knots was just like something I've never seen before. I don't know if it was because the hair was so fluffy at the opening, but it just, every one that I put next to each other, like even when I spaced it out, it still seemed like the hair that was around the knot just had very great coverage. I hope I explained that okay, because I don't know another way to explain it, but it just wowed me. And here's another example of that coverage. Like, when this is down, you would have thought that that whole section was filled in, and it's not. So this hair, you would not need many packs for, a style, because it can just get really big really quick. So seeing that and noticing that pretty early on, it let me know how to continue to go about the style and how to continue to go about the spacing of them. Okay, and so just one last tip before I go and let you finish watching the video. When you get to the thicker parts of the braid, don't go underneath the braid, actually go through the braid. That is a tip that I learned through watching Beautykin Braids videos, and she always tells us to not go underneath the braid at that point. You want to go through the braid. When you go underneath the braid, the knot doesn't close all the way, and that can really probably be pretty painful for your client. So go through the braid, and that way you will have a lot of motion of that crochet twist that is installed. So guys, I'm gonna let you go ahead and finish watching the rest of this video. I hope that these tips have been helpful to you in some sort of way. Thank you so much for even coming back to my channel, and guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks again, and God bless.
to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake